Another day, another dollar. Hey Stanley, wouldn't it be great if we got paid for going to school? Yeah, getting paid to go to school. The chances of that happening is probably as low as algebra becoming the hardest class in the whole school due to an evil teacher taking over. Alright class, I am Mr. Stein, and it's algebra time! Who are you? And where's Miss Cuddlekins? I've already said, young man, I am Mr. Stein. See, I have a Stein. As for Miss Cuddlekins, well, let's just say she's dead. Okay, peasants. Today, we are going to be learning about factoring quadratic equations. Now, there are many ways of factoring a quadratic equation, such as 3x squared plus 14x minus 5. But because we are in school and we are being taught by Mr. Stein, we're going to do it the long, boring, painstaking way. What? If there was only a quick, easy way to factor quadratic equations, instead we have to do this? Do my ears deceive me? Did somebody just say a quick, easy way to factor quadratic equations? Was it you? Speak! Two-dimensional. Well, there's only one true way to be tough, and that is doing it this way. Now, I am going to explain it to you guys. Blah, 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 blah.
One eternity later.
Alright, class. Now that I have done my very good description of how to factor quadratic equations, we have big test on this tomorrow. Study, or else you failed the whole entire class. Alright, class. Mr. Stein is off. Remember, big test tomorrow. Huh? What's this? Mr. Stein dropped this, Stanley. It's a note. It reads, "To learn and do quadratic equations quick and easily, go to the Mathematic Monk Shrine, where, at the top of Maypole Mountain..." Stanley, you have to go to the top of Maypole Mountain. That's the only way that we can pass Mr. Stein's test. Alright, Stanley, here we are. Maypole Mountain. This is where the monk's supposed to be. Let's get going. We're almost there, Stanley. Just another 3,000 feet or so. I must pass Mr. Stein's test. I must. Let's go, Stanley. We're almost there. Stanley, look! Is that him? Could it really be?
The design, the mathematic monk.
You're the mathematic monk. Well, you sure don't look like one. But whatever. My name is
Jonathan.
And this is
2D Figure Man. I help all those who are oppressed by Mr. Stein. I tried to pass a note to you, but it seems like Mr. Stein has intercepted it. But who cares? At least you're here. And it is now time to learn the Kung Fu method. And here we have the Kung Fu method. Pay attention, Stanley. So right here we have the A value 3 and the C value 10. Then we multiply it to get 30. Then we find two factors of the C value that add up to the B value 13. In this case, we have x plus 3 and x plus 10. Then we divide 3 and 10 by the A value 3 to get x plus 3 over 3 and x plus 10 over 3. After we simplify it and moving the denominator to before the x, we get x plus 1 and 3x plus 10. Now Stanley, do this problem right here. Stanley, do the problem right here, right now. Stanley, you know what? Help me. Jonathan, come here and do the problem. Yes, sir, right away. Good job,
Oh,
Jonathan.
good day, great mathematic monk. Because of your wisdom, we shall pass Mr. Stein's test.
Now that I'm a true master of the Kung Fu method, I am going to destroy Mr. Stein's test. Right, Stanley? High five. Okay. Stein, 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 Stein. Alright, class. Big test. Mine big test. Two sheets. One's gonna have the questions on it. This one's just gonna be threaded up. The other one is gonna where you put your answers. I will only be looking at this one. Here you go, 2D freak. No books! No phone! And no textbook! And stop clicking that pen! In order to make your experience taking the test even more painstaking and difficult, I'm gonna go play piano. Ah! Piano! It burns my ears! Ugh. No, Mr. Stein's silly piano will not stop me from acing this test! Must remember Kung Fu method! Yo, it's time to do the Kung Fu method, Do it as the monk told us, We do it to pass the test. It is no to test. It's time to do the Kung Fu method, Yo, we shall pass this test.
15 minutes later.
Here you go, Mr. Stein. Stein. Look at all these Steins. What was that? Why is it all wrinkled up? Must be smooth. Let's see here. Let's see how Jonathan did. Check. Check. 5 out of 5, 100%. I am satisfied. Alright, flat boy, your test time is over. Let me correct this. Check. Good job, Stanley. You got a 100% on your what the Kung Fu method. Oh, you disappoint me. Oh, look at the time. Better go, Mr. Stein. Thank you for this wonderful test.
Oh! Come on, Stanley, he's on to us!
Zapiriba. Ah, it's here. Yes, my new Stein is here. Yes.